cute baby animals, you would immediately observe how cute and fluffy they are. But you would also have noticed that they were different. They vary. Yes, some are puppies and some are kittens. There is a great deal of variation between species, but also there is variation within a species. Different fur, and the kittens have different colored eyes. Variation is the differences in characteristics of individuals within a population. It can be due to genetics, the environment, or combination of both. Let's start with genetics. Different members of our population have different DNA, unless they are identical twins. This means they have different versions of genes called alleles, and these alleles give rise to different characteristics. For example, in the eye color gene, this kitten has an allele for blue-eyed color. Kitten has an allele for brown-eyed color. If the species reproduce by sexual reproduction, the random mixing of alleles from both parents resulting extensive genetic variation within population of a species. This means that some individuals are better adapted their environment than others, allowing natural selection to take place. For example, in a population of rats, some will have a better eyesight than others. This will be able to avoid being eaten by predators, to move, likely to survive to reproduce. If you want to learn more about natural selection, watch this in the other video. Some examples of variations is humans that are controlled by genes that include eye color and blood group. If you have a blood group A, it's because you have the allele for this characteristics. This is genetic variations and is something that you are born with and nothing can change it. Some variation is due to the environment or lifestyle of the organism. Example, in humans, a hair length, it depends on how short you decide to cut it. Your accent has something to do with the place you live. And also if you have any piercings or tattoos or scars. Many characteristics are due to the combination of both genetics and the environment. Example, the height of a person can grow through is determined by genetics. Tall parents tend to produce tall children. However, a person will not grow to that potential height unless they eat a healthy balanced diet. There are also some debate on how much intelligence is due to genetics or the quality of education a person receives. Is intelligence more due to nature or nurture? To answer these questions, scientists can do experiments using identical twins. If the characteristic in both twins is the same, it's most likely to genetics. If it is different, the environment has played an important role. Example, identical twins will have the same eye color as it is due to genetics, but they have different personalities, talents, likes, and dislikes. And this shows that these are also influenced by the environment. In this video, we'll learn about variation and how can it be controlled by the genetics, the environment, or sometimes both. So if you learn new things today, drop your comments below, share and like this video, subscribe and hit the bell button to notify you in my upcoming videos.